Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2020 Chevy Impala 1LT. Now this vehicle is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. It only has 3,904 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle. It comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black cloth and leather seating with a jet black lining as well. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, our push-to-talk, a heated steering wheel, and cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.